Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever taken what you thought was a perfect photo, only to realize later that it's a bit blurry or just doesn't have that crisp, clear look you were hoping for, this tutorial is definitely for you. Today I'm going to show you exactly how you can use Canva's AI image enhancer to sharpen up those blurry photos and boost their overall quality, all for free and with just a few clicks. By the end of this video, you'll know how to give your images that professional quality finish, even if photography isn't your thing. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you'll need is a photo that you want to improve. Maybe it's a snapshot from a family event that didn't turn out as sharp as you'd hoped, or perhaps it's an old picture that's just lost some of its detail over time. Whatever the case, have that image ready on your computer or wherever you store your photos. Next, open up Canva and head over to the side menu. You're going to look for the section labeled Apps. Now this is where Canva keeps all its powerful add-ons and tools, including some really neat AI features. Click on Apps and in the search bar type in Enhancer. This might sound obvious, but there are quite a few apps inside Canva. Searching ensures you find exactly what you need without scrolling through a long list. Give it a moment to load. Sometimes new tools can take a couple of seconds to pop up, especially if your internet connection is a little slow. When you see the Image Enhancer app, go ahead and click it. This is Canva's AI tool designed to analyze your image and bring out hidden details, sharpen edges, and basically breathe new life into your photo. Once it's open, you'll see an option to choose a file. Click on Select File and find the blurry image you want to fix up from your device. If you're not sure where your photo is saved, take your time here. I know digital photos can sometimes end up all over your downloads or cloud storage folders. Once you found your image, click Open. Now here comes the fun part. Click on the option that says Enhance Image. Canva's AI will instantly get to work analyzing your picture. What's really cool here is that the AI isn't just randomly guessing where to add sharpness, it's actually studying the details and figuring out which parts of the photo need to be crisper, where the boundaries are between objects, and how to bring back lost texture. It's kind of like having a mini team of photo editing experts working in the background for you. This part usually only takes a few moments, but don't worry if it spins for a bit. Larger images can take a little longer. Once that's done, you'll see your newly enhanced photo ready to download or use inside another Canva project. You should notice a big improvement in sharpness and clarity. Sometimes it's really impressive how much detail gets recovered. If you're not satisfied with the first result, or you want to compare before and after, you can always go back and try the process again with different adjustments. And that's really all there is to it. Super simple but incredibly useful. Give it a go with different kinds of images. You might be surprised just how much a quick enhancement can improve your social media posts, presentations, or even printed photos. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tips and creative project ideas. And if you have any questions or you want to see other Canva features in action, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.